Okay, what I've got here, I've got a DC motor, and I've got a dishwasher pump motor, and I know you see a lot of these today, and this kind of goes along the lines with what John Bedini was doing in the early to mid 80s, with Ron Cole and both Jim Watson. Um, and basically, you're running the DC motor, of course, with DC power supply. And here, this is an off-the-shelf product that you can get these off of eBay or any appliance store that supplies them. It's actually a dishwasher AC motor with permanent magnets in it. So instead of having to wire uh, one of those and put together a generator yourself, this actually has this can generate your AC for you. So what I've got here, of course, I 3D printed some parts just to hold everything in place. See a lot of guys that just hook them straight up with strap the motor down to a project board and hook it directly up to the shaft. But I like running these rubber bands on it. For me, it's just easy to maintain, and they can run for a long time. So the motors, the small motors here generally don't have bearings in them. They're in the little slide, the collets. But I do have a bearing, an 8 millimeter on the back side. I just 3D printed a connection between the two. And just want to demonstrate here, I'm going to show it hooked up to 12 volts first and what kind of AC power we're getting out of it with the meter. And I'm not going to really do any comparisons on current draw versus the current that's being used. But here we go. I just want to kind of show that it does work. And we're going to do some additional experiments down the road past this point. So I'm going to hook up just 12 volts first with the one battery, and then I'm going to step it up to a second battery to 24 volts. This motor is rated up to 24 volts, so that's anything more than that, I think it'd be pushing a little too hard on those brushes, but we'll see. So you can see here it runs and gets started up pretty good. I'm hooked up, still kind of AC. It's being generated. So if you look at there, getting 94 volts. The battery's really weak that I'm using, the 12 volt battery. So I'm going to step it up past that to 24 volts. You can see there I'm getting 155. This is a 1-to-1 ratio with the pulley and the rubber band. So from here, I'll light up this CFL bulb that you can see here, 13 watts. So it lights it up, full burst there. Putting the load on it does drop it a little bit, about to 115 volts, but nevertheless it works. So let's see what kind of current it's actually drawing. So roughly probably a little bit over 100 milliamps. And then on the DC motor, about half an amp, give or take. So that's it. Again, I'm going to be doing some other experiments and we'll go from there.